Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak your iPhone completely for free and very fast. You can do this directly on your phone with the newest version of iOS, which is 12.1. I can jailbreak with a hit of a button. It's very simple, and this is also the only website that works with the newest iOS version, which is 12.1. So go ahead and select your Apple device. I have an iPhone X, so I select iPhone X, and then select the version of your iOS. So I'm on the newest version, 12.1, and now I can hit verify compatibility. From here, it's going to process my request and verify that I'm able to jailbreak my device. Alright, as you can see here, it's done, and now I can hit jailbreak. Alright, so now the jailbreak process has been started. It's that easy right here. It's just downloading the jailbreak files, and it's going to install the jailbreak right into my phone. But before I can get the jailbreak on my phone, I will have to do human verification. The reason there's human verification is so bots don't abuse this jailbreak, and it's very easy to get the verification done. Go ahead and install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions of each app you install. So for the first app, I'm going to go ahead and install Hotspot Shield free VPN proxy. So I'm going to click that app, and it's going to bring me to this page where I can open it on the App Store. Okay, so I'm going to hit open on App Store, and then once it loads, I'm going to start downloading this app. Alright, and now I'm going to go back onto this list and choose the second app, BetterNet VPN Proxy. So I chose 2 apps from that list as it asked. And now I'm going to wait for the installation of both apps to complete once I start downloading the second app. Alright, and now that the installation has complete, I can start the human verification process. So for the first app, Hotspot Shield VPN, it asks that I connect to the VPN. Also, make sure you're on each app for at least 30 seconds, as it does ask for you to be on the app for 30 seconds to make sure the verification goes through. So here, after I follow the instructions and connect it to the VPN, I did human interactions on the app. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and disconnect from the app. And now I'm on BetterNet VPN Proxy, and I'm going to do the same thing. The instructions for this app told me I have to connect to the VPN as well, because I selected 2 VPN apps to make it very easy for myself. And now I just have to do human interactions on this app for that 30-second timer it requires me to do so. And once I'm done, I can disconnect from the app. And now go ahead and restart your device, and when you turn it back on, your device should start jailbreaking and process will be complete. So as you can see here, my device is now successfully jailbroken, and I will have Cydia, which is the app you have once you jailbreak your device, which will allow you to get all sorts of hacks and whatever cool apps you want. So it's that simple, guys. Just make sure you follow the instructions of this video and do everything I ask you guys to do in this video, and you will have your device successfully jailbroken. So as you can see here, I'm on the Cydia app to prove that my device was successfully jailbroken through this website. And as you can see here, here are some of the cool apps I can get with Cydia, and I hope you guys have fun with your brand new jailbroken device. You guys have a good one, and thank you for watching.